Okay, hey again, we're here with the Super 73. We're gonna do two big changes today. Number one, we're gonna change the seat out for the new longer version, and we're gonna put the new bracket on for the broken headlight. And I got my helper today, Chase.
Hello, I'm 7.
Yep, so together we'll see if number one, we can put it all on nice and easy, and number two, if the new bigger seat lets me take this guy for a ride for the first time. Hold that right there. All right, so we'll take the old bracket out of here. We'll mount the, is that showing up in the camera?
Yep.
That's the mount there. You see where that goes in? All right, just grab a little 10mm.
A wrench.
Set that to the right height, looks good.
The seat.
The power. Make sure you get these on just right, otherwise that you can bend those little wires. So, boom.
Boom shakalaka boom. Hello again. We're going to take off the red seat and we're going to put on the new seat.
Yep, so it's that same 5mm Allen wrench that we use for the headlight. It's the same one. Take the seats off. There's 3 on the bottom. Go hit the bike. Okay. That's pretty cool looking, huh?
This is smaller, so that's only for one butt and that's only for 2 butts, I think.
So
But that's brown and that's white.
picked it up, but
Yeah.
now looking at it. The new seat versus the old seat in comparison.
Maybe.
Yep, so we're gonna try and fit this little guy on that seat with me. Okay, right off the bat, the new seat length, huge improvement for the tall guy. I've got plenty of comfort where I didn't have as much before. My knees aren't going to be as cramped. I can get an actual straight angle on there when I'm riding the bike. The longer rides will be a lot more comfortable. Next, we'll see if Chase fits on here and if the whole thing is what we were hoping for.
Yep.
Hey, you got room to spare. All right, as you can see, Chase now fits on the bike. This far up, I'm not gonna do a lot of pedaling, but at least I can use throttle mode and take him for a ride. So I think we're a big win. The new headlight mount's working great. Chase is on the back and we're going for a ride.